Welcome to Classic Heaven. Not heaven, we try to keep them in earth here. Let me take you on a journey into what we do here. Perhaps you have an old classic. Perhaps it's rusty. Perhaps the drivetrain is tired. Perhaps you have another classic. Perhaps it's minty. But perhaps it drives rough. What we can do for you here is bring your classic to the modern era. If it's rusty, we take the body sheet, repair it, cut out the rust, put new panels, refinish the surface, like what we are doing to the W124 here. As my Naija people call it, the V-boot. This is a 1986 model. It's the early ones, and it's undergoing a complete body restoration. You can see we stripped it down, removed all the trims, and we are refinishing the surface. It will soon go for paint very soon. The parts that are bad, we search for some. But if you look carefully, you will see this is not just undergoing a body restoration, taking out the rust, painting it. It also has something unique here at the front. It's also undergoing a drivetrain retrofit. This is a Mercedes M111 compressor, the high performance version. And we are putting it into these V-boots. And by the time it's done, it will perhaps be one of the fastest V-boots in Nigeria. I know someone has a 500E. Not calling you out. Now, take this 190E as an example. The body is in very good condition. But the drivetrain, that's the engine, came with the M102 4-cylinder, and it's tired. Not that the engine itself is tired. If you know your cars, you know these engines come with CIS. That's Bosch Continuous Injection System. It's a very notorious system, to say the least. Very hard to keep running properly, and the parts are no longer being manufactured. So, first things first, we can do two things when we are faced with such situation. If the engine is in very good condition, you can bring it to us and opt for changing the system into the modern era. We will retrofit a standalone ECU to manage the engine, put in modern injectors, put in modern coils, and then your classic drives very smooth. Or there are other options. Like we are going to do this one right here. The M102 is functioning presently. We've put an EFI conversion on it, so it's running well, but there is need for speed. So to satisfy that need for speed, what we are going to be doing with this one is to install this engine here. This engine, as you can see, is the compressor version of the M111. Suffice to say, the 190E will be the fastest 190E in Nigeria. Feel free to challenge me on that. So, and if it happens that we get challenged, there's part 2. Come closer. This is M45 supercharger. This is what comes with the M111 engine. Give or take, this will give us about 200 and something horsepower, maybe 205, 210 horsepower. But if that proves not to be enough to claim that title of the fastest 190 in Nigeria, then you bring out the big gun. This is the TVS 1320. This supercharger is a 1.32 liter supercharger, while this one is 0.75 liter. So it's basically multiplied by 2 the capacity of this smaller one. And combined with that engine, I'm sure it's going to scream. So take note of that, all you lazy boys.